Assalamu alaikum class 8. This is your biology teacher Michelle Ahmed. We were going through the chapter number 3 named as biodiversity. Today the topic of our chapter is history of classification. The first ever scientist who contributed in the field of biology by dividing the organisms into two main groups. First group is kingdom Plantae and the other main group is Animalia. Now, some other scientists are also mentioned in your book. You have to learn these scientists because they have some minor contributions to biology. But the most importantly, you have to learn about the contributions made by the Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus is also known as the father of classification. Father of classification. He also divided the species on basis of physical characters. After that, Carolus Linnaeus divided the organisms into three main groups. The first group is mineral. The second group is vegetable. And third but not the least is animal. He also used 5 ranks of classification. And you know that what are the ranks? Ranks are the taxons or the groups like phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Now we are going to learn the contribution of Aristotle in detail, that how or on what basis of characters he divided organisms into two main groups like Plantae and Animalia. In order to understand his contribution, you first should know about the plants and animals. Aristotle grouped organisms into plants and animals. Now, first of all, the characteristics of the kingdom Plantae were, they are autotrophic. Autotrophic means the organisms which prepare their own food by using inorganic materials. And what are inorganic materials? Like water and carbon dioxide. And chlorophyll is already present in them. Chlorophyll captures the sunlight from the sun and converts the sunlight energy into chemical energy, that is the making of sugars. Plants also contains cell wall in their cells, while the animal cell does not contain cell wall. In addition to these 2 points, Aristotle also included all the bacteria, fungi, and algae into Plantae, which was very conflicting point. Now the other point is about the Animalia. Animals have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic means organisms which cannot prepare their food. In addition to this point, they don't have cell wall. Cell wall is absent. So, by considering these several points of Plantae and Animalia, the classification of Aristotle was somehow conflicting because organisms like Euglena means what were the drawbacks of two kingdom system of classification. Animals or organisms like Euglena possess both plant-like means autotrophic and animal-like yani heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Which was a very amazing point for the two kingdom system of classification proposed by the Aristotle. Now it was clear that Euglena cannot be fixed into any of these kingdoms because Euglena behaves both like plant as well as like animal, because it can prepare its food by using inorganic materials, and when it is at the bottom of the water, there is no sunlight, so it starts behaving like animal and it feeds on other animals. So this was our lecture of today. I hope you understand well.